Right now, I put this garage door switch off. Okay, right now I've installed the motor already. I've installed the battery already. Now this is the opening. If there's load shedding, so the battery will last for 15 hours. After 15 hours, it will go flat. Then when the electricity come back, it will automatically charge himself again. Yeah, this is the closing. The reason why it's slow like this is because of the load shedding. So now I put the switch on. So here's the battery. I replaced it with this nice battery. You see the way it opens so fast. This is from the inside. Let's do it from the outside. Good.